Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been almost 2 years or more since I last updated. So, first of all, I would like to say sorry for all of you who had already subscribed my channel and stayed even there were no updates. So, I finished my A-levels and I'm back to live a normal life. But stories aside, let's get into today's video. It's about 7 in the morning. Today is 1st of February, Saturday. So I came for a little work. So this is where the jogging track is. It's around a lake. It's not much far from my home. It takes like 3 minutes to get here. The view here is so amazing, guys. It's so good to take a walk here in the morning. Fresh air and beautiful scenery is a good start for a day. Actually, because of the exams, I totally put a stop to everything else I was doing. It was kind of a mess to engage in a lot of things while doing the exams, so I had to stop uploading on YouTube. But now the exam's over, here I am. So from now on, there will be regular updates on the channel. I am so excited to share my journey with you guys here in YouTube. After the jogging session, I came home. I'm getting ready to go out. Actually, I want to buy a few books. I am in the bookshop now. This is not what I came to buy, just saw it while finding the book I wanted. Oh, hey, this is the one I wanted, but I finally found it after asking it from the cashier. I've been a big reader since I was little, but I haven't read much during the last 5 years. Actually, I barely read anything after O levels. So, as soon as the exams were over, I got myself registered in the public library of my town. It has a good collection of books, but I haven't got the chance to explore much of the library. But from the books I've borrowed so far, it's really good. The book I am reading is a Sinhala translation from an English book called Patient Zero. It's a science fiction and it's really good. I really have nothing special to do these days. I just stay home, eat, sleep, and repeat. So I decided to engage in few courses while waiting for the results. It's good to learn something rather than just wasting time. So I have an online lecture at 2 in the afternoon. Today it's like 2 hours long. Once again, I'm really sorry for you guys who had already subscribed me, and I am so grateful for you guys for staying with the channel all along. So really sorry, and also thank you. You guys might have forgotten me already, so let me introduce myself to you guys again. Actually, I planned to introduce myself at the beginning of the video, but I forgot. So here we go. So my name is Shashikala Kavindi. I am 21 years old. I started this YouTube channel to record my journey in life so that the beautiful memories will be left somewhere to be watched later in life, and also to share my journey with people, with you guys. Yeah, so now I'm currently waiting for my A-level results. I did A-levels in biology stream, so I'll be bringing regular updates from now on. So please look forward to it, guys. The class ended like 30 minutes ago. It's like 5:30 right now, and the sun is already going down. This is how it looks from my room. It's getting dark as well. Well, I do not cook on a regular basis, but it was edible, guys, so don't worry. This is the book I bought today. You guys might already recognize this book. It's quite popular these days. Actually, I wanted to buy the original book, the English one, but it was out of stock in the shop I went, and they said it would take like a month for them to have it in the stock again. So I bought the single translation since I already went there, but it's almost like half the volume of the original book. I've seen how the original book looks on TikTok and other social media platforms, and this is like the half the volume of the original one. By the time I edit this video, I've already finished a few chapters. So far I did not feel anything lacking, so the translation is quite good. I don't know whether I am satisfied with this because I haven't read the original, but so far I think the translation is quite good. It's around 10:30 right now, and so this is the end of today's video, and thank you guys for watching, and let's meet in a new video. Goodbye.